Hi guys, I wanted some gumbo today. Generally, I make it from scratch, but today I am taking the shortcut. Here it is. It has smoked sausage and chicken in there and all of the seasonings. But I used this gumbo mix today. Zatarain'S is pretty good. It's really seasoned. And I used some of my own seasonings that I normally use, but this is the gumbo and it is scrumptious. So, you guys, if you want a good pot of gumbo, you can take the shortcut too. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, tap that notification bell to be reminded of uploads. And I thank you for watching. I thank you for subscribing. Bye.